I'm Laura Acevedo, live from Donovan Correction Facility. This is where Eric and Lyle Mendendez have been housed together for about 7 years now. But of course, they have been serving over 30 years for the murder of their parents. Now, the brothers appeared virtually for that hearing in Los Angeles, and I spoke with a criminal defense attorney who explains the resentencing process. Eric and Lyle Mendendez's hope to walk free from this prison in San Diego won't happen quickly, even if a judge decides to resentence them to a lesser charge.
The criminal justice system is a slow, laborious process. It's not really quick, and it's not designed to be quick because you're dealing with people's rights.
The Menendez are serving life without the possibility of parole. Criminal defense attorney Gretchen von Helms, who's not related to the case, explains what the judge will look for when considering resentencing.
So the judge will have the evidence that's given today and the evidence that's given tomorrow. Then when the evidence comes in from the parole board, which is their risk assessment, then he'll take that into consideration.
A decision the judge has already announced won't happen by Friday. Resentencing is a process von Helms says doesn't happen often, but has become more common in recent years due to changes in the law. The judge can go either way based on evidence presented during the brothers' hearing.
Your sentence was fair the first time that it was given. Some judges say, based on certain evidence that I've received, I find that your sentence wasn't fair.
Resentencing options the judge could take include 50 years to life, 25 to life, or manslaughter, which would mean the brothers could be out on time served. But the judge could also decide their sentence was fair, and unless Governor Newsom grants clemency, the men would spend the rest of their lives in prison.
So they have a variety of options to consider resentencing motions under the law. So if the law allows for them to make a decision that's different from what was decided before, they can do that, but they don't have to.
Now, let's say the brothers do, in fact, get resentenced sometime down the line. Now, von Helms says it could still be months before they actually see freedom because they would have to, it would depend on what the resentencing is, and then it could still take a couple of months before their actual release. So for now, they will continue here at Donovan. Reporting live, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.